All-Star Case Breaks doing XR football for Jason. Good luck, good luck. Here we go. J.J. Watt. Hey, there's your Brady. Andy Isabella. Man, I thought you had a Murray there for a minute. Triple jersey auto. 65 of 75. R.J. Brown. Derwin James. Miles Boykin out of 149. Clelin Ferrell. Khalil Mack. Andre Dillard. 72 of 149, rookie XL. Hunter Renfrow. .44 of 99, Ryan Finley, quarterback, rookie quarterback for the Bengals. The way they're going, he might get to play this year. Chris Lindstrom and Alvin Kamara out of 249. Yep. Jason, thank you very much, man. If you want more, let me know. We'll get them out today.